Hi! In this video, I will explain to you how to perform the sort of 5S methodology properly. The sort is to throw out what is not used or needed. Firstly, decide with the team the sorting criteria. For example, what do we want to keep? 1. Items used at least weekly. 2. Items for quick customer response. 3. Item for safety. Secondly, the team has to classify according to the sort criteria. They have to scan all the items in the area under 5S. If the item is never used or in doubt, then red tag the item or throw it out. Red tag is a label with a date of 5S event, and it helps to understand when the item was scanned by the team. You can put the tagged items in a big box close to the place where the team is performing the 5S. If in a certain period the tagged item is not used, then it can be thrown out, recycled, or sold. The 5S sort should be done regularly, i.e. every 6 months. Pay attention not to be too zealous. Within reason, leave people to have personal items in their workspace. You have to help them have a comfortable workplace. After this first step, the workplace will appear to you already better than the beginning.